Have you ever wondered how rainbows form or why a straw looks bent when placed in a glass of water? The answers lie in the fascinating world of light. Introduction. Hello, young physicists. Welcome to Mind Over Physics. Today, we're exploring light, a branch of physics that helps us understand how we see the world around us. What is light? Light is a form of energy that allows us to see. It travels in waves and moves incredibly fast, about 299,792 kilometers per second. Without light, our world would be dark, and we wouldn't be able to see colors or shapes. Main behaviors of light. 1. Reflection. What is it? Reflection happens when light hits a surface and bounces back. Example. When you look in a mirror, you're seeing your reflection because light bounces off the mirror's surface back to your eyes. 2. Refraction. What is it? Refraction occurs when light passes from one material to another and bends. Example. A straw appears bent when placed in a glass of water because light changes direction as it moves from air to water. Interesting fact. Did you know that sunlight is made up of all the colors of the rainbow? When sunlight passes through raindrops, it splits into different colors, creating a rainbow. Funny fact. Here's a funny fact. Owls can't move their eyes side to side, so they have to turn their whole head to look around. Good thing they can rotate their heads almost all the way. Conclusion. Understanding light helps us explain many everyday phenomena, from the colors we see to the way objects appear. It's a key part of physics that illuminates our world. If you enjoyed this exploration of light, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting physics adventures.